Guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to withdraw Sweatcoin to GCash. So when you open your Sweatcoin app, as you can see here, and then tap on that balance at the top right corner, you'll find here several ways on how you can use your Sweatcoin. We have here spend Sweatcoins, complete free offers, and earning summary. Now we will go here on the shop where we can find some products or offers from the Sweatcoins app. As you can see, we have here the APAC Spotlight specials and some Spotlight here and premium exclusives. So currently the Sweatcoin app don't have actually a specific button where you can withdraw your money to GCash. But as you can see here, we have several products here that we're going to spend with our Sweatcoins. So what are you going to do is you can try to buy some products here with vouchers or discount, and then you can sell that product to someone and then you can get the actual money. So that's the best thing that you can do here, so you can withdraw your Sweatcoin into GCash. But you can have a regular check on the Sweatcoin app, and as soon here we can find here on shop, we can find an option where we can actually withdraw Sweatcoin to GCash. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.